Hi everyone, you can see this is the chemical structure. I am going to draw a structure with the help of ChemSketch. So in the previous video I have explained how to download a ChemSketch. So in this video let us draw this chemical structure and I also explained the ChemDraw, how you can download and how you can draw the chemical structure. So let us know how to use ChemSketch here. So here is the ChemSketch I have already downloaded. I will provide the link in the description box how you can download this ChemSketch. Okay. So first you should know all the options available here. You should practice them. You can easily draw the structure. So here are the tabs available. Inside these tabs, whatever the options are there, outside also you can see. So first you should know the tabular column periodic table which is available to draw the chemical structure. You can use the elements from the periodic table, and also outside also available the atoms, and here the benzene rings or other type of rings are also available, and some of the specific bonds also available. Directly you can use them. So next, first what I will do, so first you should completely have the idea about this structure. So here two benzene rings are there, one cyclopentadiene. So let us draw, and also we require methyl group and NH2 groups. First I will select here the benzene ring. So I will keep it here, and then I need one more ring, that is cyclopentadiene. I will attach here. Next I need one more benzene ring. Okay. So what I will do, if I will keep in this bond, you will have one more bond. Directly you can attach it, not necessary to draw the bond to connect them. Just you should simply keep it on this bond. You will get the benzene ring which is attached to this atom. Next, here I need methyl group and NH2 groups. So methyl group you can select here carbon atom, or else from periodic table also you can select. So first I will keep this methyl group here, and then I will use this to attach. Okay. Okay, you can see I have attached this methyl group. First select carbon atom and methyl group you should keep, and then go for this draw chain. Click on that, you will attach this methyl group. Next I need NH here. So directly I can put it here, and then I require one more carbon atom. So I will keep this methyl group and I will attach it here by using chain here, and then I will select oxygen. Okay. So oxygen, if you observe here, double bond we require. Then what I will do, I will select this double bond, or else I will use this one. Okay, I have drawn the double bond. You should click on this option and you will get the double bond. And then I need NH. So use this draw chain to connect the bonds. Okay, NH2 I have attached. One more NH2 is there. You can click again. You will get the NH and NH2 group. So here you can see we have drawn the chemical structure easily within time. So here how you can draw the chemical structure with the help of ChemSketch I have explained. Once you complete this structure, you can go to tools option, and here you can click on clean structure. So automatically the bonds are going to be adjusted, and then if you want to rotate this structure, what you have to do, go to edit, click on select all, and then click on this option, select rotate resize. Okay, so you can rotate at any angle you want. Okay, I have rotated this, and then you can also flip the structure. Here are the options available, flip to right, left, you can use them. And then after getting this chemical structure, go to tools, you can generate the name of the structure. Okay, within a short time. So here it is generating, you can see the IUPAC name, or the name of this chemical structure has been given. So how easily you can draw and how you can generate the chemical or IUPAC name, you can see. So very helpful software, it is very helpful program. So you can draw the chemical structure very easily. Once you get the structure and name of the structure, then you can also get some of the details, properties of this chemical structure. Okay, so here if you go to calculate molecular formula, weight, mass, density, other options, you can calculate. If you want to calculate all properties, you can click on all. You will get all details here. You can see molecular formula weight, other important properties, density. So very helpful program it is. Okay. So this is how the ChemSketch is helpful to draw the structure, get the name of the structure, and some of the important chemical properties also you can get from ChemSketch. I hope this video is helpful for you.